Hello student, today I am going to teach about the types of angles. Okay, types of angles. So look at the page number 132, types of angles. Before starting the exercise 6.3, types of angles. There are the different type of the angles. Which type of? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angles. Okay, there are the different type of the angles. First, acute angle. What is the acute angle? Acute angle, a angle that is measured less than 90 degree. Angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Means angle which is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree is called acute angle. In this protractor, less than 90 degree. Where is the 90 degree? 90 degree on the middle. Okay, see here in the protractor, it is in the middle. It is a 90 degree. And all the angles that have the arms less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means in this way. 90 degree कहाँ होता है? That is a 90 degree. Okay. So all the angles less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means one arm is here, another one arm here, means should be less than 90 degree. Is called acute angle. जितने भी acute angle होते हैं वो सभी 90 degree से less होते हैं. When we measure the angle, suppose 89 degree भी अगर एक angle निकलता है, so that is also called the acute angle. Okay, so acute angle जितने भी होते हैं, all they are the less than 90 degrees called the acute angle. Suppose the angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. So what is this? This is the acute angle. Okay, acute angle. And okay, so this is called the acute angle. Now next one is the obtuse angle. Now speciality of the obtuse angle is an angle that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. An angle that is more than 90 degree. More than more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. What is the obtuse angle? An angle that is measured more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Okay, look at here. And the protractor more than 90 degree. 90 degree से इधर की तरफ जितने भी एंगल बनेंगे वो सभी obtuse angle होंगे. But one more important thing, should be less than 180 degree. Means 90 degree से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए और 180 degree से कम होना चाहिए. 180 से नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, it's called obtuse angle. So example of the obtuse angle, that is a 90 degree, and one thing is more than 90. More than 90 means like that, and less than 180. Look at here, that is the 180 degree angle. It is a 180 degree angle. Okay, so more than 90 degree, that is 90 degree, and here is the 180 degree. So should be greater to 90 and the smaller to 180 degree. 90 से बड़ा होना चाहिए और 180 से छोटा होना चाहिए. That is called the obtuse angle. It's the most important point. Keep in your mind. Look at here in this diagram. It is a 90 degree. Okay, it is 90 degree. It's 90 degree and more than 90 but less than 180, and that is a 180 degree. It is a 180 degree. So should be greater means between this and this line. इन दो लाइन के बीच में जब भी कोई लाइन आएगी इट मीन्स दैट इज द रेस्टिंग पॉइंट. ऑप्टिस एंगल के लिए कौन सा पोजीशन होगा? रेस्टिंग पॉइंट. एंड एक्यूट एंगल के लिए कौन सा पोजीशन होगा? ए. इस टाइप से कोई अगर एंगल बनता है दैट इज अ ए पोजीशन मीन्स एक्यूट एंगल एंड द रेस्टिंग पोजीशन मीन्स ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. ओके. नेक्स्ट right angle. Third angle is the first acute angle, obtuse angle. Now third one is the right angle. Now what is the definition of the right angle? Angle that is measured 90 degree is called right angle. Right angle. Angle that is measured 90 degree. An angle measure 90 degree is called right angle. Okay, it means that is a right angle 90 degree. Okay, आप प्रोटेक्टर में देखिए 90 degree in the middle means one baseline is here means one ray is going in that direction, another one ray is going the upwards means 90 degree. Okay, an angle that is measured the 90 degree is called the right angle. And last angle is straight angle. Straight angle. What is this straight angle? An angle that is measured 180 degree. 180 degree means from the center point. 0 to 180 means the straight line. That is why name of this angle is the straight angle. Why? Because of only just a straight line. See the protector. Straight line means from the center point. From the center point, draw one line here, another one line here. Means the simple straight line. It is measured, it is a center point O and it's a 180 degree. So what is the definition of this straight angle? An angle measure 180 degree. 180 degree is known as the straight angle. Okay, an angle that is measured exactly 180 degree is known as the straight angle. So they are the different type of the angles. First acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. Acute angle means an angle that is measured less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. Obtuse angle, an angle that is more than 90 but less than 180 degree is known as the obtuse angle. Then right angle, an angle that is measured 90 degree is called right angle. And the straight angle, an angle that is measured 180 degree, exactly 180 degree is known as the straight angle. Okay, so I hope all these angles clear to you. Okay, so now start the exercise 6.3. Identify the types of angles. Now in the exercise there are given the different angles and we have to identify it's which type of the angles. What is type of the angles? Okay, identify. It's which type of angles? Only just a straight line. Just recently I explained you about it. It is a straight angle. Straight angle. And what is the measurement of this straight angle? 180 degree. Okay. Second, this angle y, x, y and z. Yes, just in which shape? In A shape. A shape means it's a which type of angle? Less than 90 degree means acute angle. Acute angle. Now third, in the third figure, L, M, N. It's a which type angle? It is a obtuse angle. मीन्स मोर देन 90 डिग्री. आप जब इसको मेज़र करके देखेंगे, आप इसको मेज़र इस तरीके से करिएगा, ओके, तब आपको ये 90 से ज़्यादा दिखाई देगा. सो इट मीन्स दैट इज अ obtuse angle. And what is the speciality of the obtuse angle? An angle that is more than 90 and less than 180 degree is known as the obtuse angle. So it is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. Now fourth number diagram. Fourth one. It is acute angle. Acute angle. Why? Because it looks like a A shape. It means acute angle. And the speciality of the acute angle, less than 90 degree. Now what is the shape of this angle? It's a which type of angle? F, E, D. It is a right angle. Right angle, what is the measurement of the right angle? Right angle have the 90 degree. Now sixth diagram. A, B, C. Yes, what is this? This is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So have you cleared all different type of the angles? So now can you identify the angles? Okay, try the practice of all this type of the angles. Okay, आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग कुछ भी डिफरेंट एंगल्स बनाइए और इसको मेजर करिए एंड ऑल्सो हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द एंगल among them. Okay, so this exercise finished. Thank you.